Hey friends, today on DIY-Tek, we're going to be talking about how to fix that video that you shot and accidentally put it in slow-mo and you want to see it in real time. Let's get to the video. You can check it out right now. On this video here, we're doing a quick walkthrough of what happens when you have recorded something in slow-mo. So check this video out where I'm working with a multimeter on some watch batteries. You can see I recorded it accidentally in slow motion. And I've got the audio on. As you can see, I'm moving super slow. Really annoying if you feel like you recorded the game-winning video and it turned out to be absolute trash. How can you fix it? Well, here we go. We're going to go ahead and go up in the upper right corner, and up there you're going to see some settings. And if you want to duplicate it, it could be a good idea to duplicate your video the first time if you're just learning how to do this. In this case, I've already duplicated this one, so I'm not going to worry about that. And down at the bottom, I'm going to go in the little edit settings, the little 3 bars in there. And as you can see, I've got some things that I've edited out here in the past where I've trimmed the video. So where you can see at the very bottom, you can see I'm in slow-mo. I've moved my yellow bars to be in just that slow motion section here. So that's really the only part of the video we're talking about. As you can see here, it's set to 12%. Up at the top, I clicked on that little drop down menu. And now if I move it to 100%, you'll see it's actually now moving it right back to what it should have been all along. So let's take a look and see how that looks now. And I'm going to turn the audio on so you can hear what I was saying. Let's try that out. I'm going to click done, save video. You can save it as a new clip as well. And here we go. Turn my audio on.
Should be showing at least 3.16. I'll take it.
Now you can hear me in real time speaking, and this actually salvages my video, so that's pretty exciting right there, that it saves everything that I was working on. Now, we're going to take one more step. We're going to do this same video. I've got another version of this that I recorded with both parts without it being cropped like I had before. I'll just show you what that would look like if you were trying to do that, the whole process. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and close this video, and it may ask me if I want to save that. So right here, we're going to go to the 11-minute video. This 11-minute video here
so we're going to go ahead
was way longer than it should have been.
Fresh batteries.
And at the first part, you can hear
2032. It's here in 2032.
At this point, everything's moving normal. In about 15-30 seconds, I'm going to screw it up, and I click the video, and it goes into slow-mo mode. And so the way to see this, what this looks like, is when I click on that base section here, you can see at the bottom where the lines are normal rate. And so if I bring in my little pincher here on the side, and I go find where the video picks up to, non-normal speed, and over on the other side, I'm going to trim that in to about right here. And somewhere in that neighborhood, it should kind of snap into place. I don't know if it really does, but we're going to go ahead and click. Again, it's saying 12. We're going to move that to 100. And now my video should condense down to the normal speed. And as we can see now, I don't have those extra lines. And now we can see the whole video is actually all good. And I don't have those weird slow-mo lines in there. So that's one way you can salvage it. Now let's play it just to make sure. Again, we were about right here. This is where we would have expected to see the slow motion taking place, as you can see here.
And then it looks like this can basically push in.
We're good. It's playing at normal speed. So that rescued my video. And now if I click done, I am good to go. And that video will save in that manner. And so let's take a look at how long that video now is. It trimmed it down from a 11-minute video to a minute video, which is awesome. And so we are in good shape there. And now we feel pretty good that our videos have been condensed, and now I've rescued that one. But that is how you do that, and that's pretty exciting. So easy fix here. Hopefully that helps you out, saves you some time and effort. You've been watching DIY Tech. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.